In this video, I'm going to show you how to measure distance on Google Earth. Now, the first thing you want to do is open your project, or of course the Google Earth, and then you want to go to the top here where you can see different tools. And this one, if you hover over it, the ruler icon, it says measure distance and area. So you can just click on that, and as you can see here, it says click points on the map to measure distances and area. So for example, if I want to measure this distance over here, I can just click first, and then of course I can just basically drag my mouse without clicking anything, and I can click for the second time, and just like this, as you can see, it's going to essentially give me like a measurement over here. I can see my length over here and the distance as well. Now of course I could click multiple times, so I can just like close this away, and I could go and basically use this ruler to click multiple times, like if I wanted to, for example, like change the area. Like, let me actually go and redo this again, so I can click on over here, for example over here, and then here, here, and here, and that's going to essentially measure kind of the area as well. Okay, so you can see perimeter and then the area. Now whenever you're done, you can actually also do it like this. So if I measure this, for example, I can just click on done over here, and it's going to basically finish that for me. Okay, then you can save this to project by clicking on this button over here, and then clicking OK, setting width, color, etc. Or you can just of course go ahead and leave it like that and exit it, and it's not going to get saved onto your project. Now that's how to measure distance. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.